Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I'm just going to take a look at Bitcoin. We'll go quickly out to the weekly. I just want to nail the weekly open down here. Mark that up. See how it shapes up after the beginning of the week, going into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just want to see how it trades around the weekly open. So just go down to a daily time frame. So this is basically traded into a big level, grinding down. Okay, we'll just mark that up. Accumulation zone. I'll just call it my range, level D, daily. That kind of comes into play with the, I like to grab the center of these zones here, and that kind of comes into play with the, say, range mid, with the weekly open, right? So now whether this holds above here or trades under, I'll be interested to see, how it shapes up after this point. Let's go to the 4 hour actually. There's a lot going on. Yeah, I mean, it's traded down into, now we're getting lower lows, lower highs, so this is definitely trending to the downside. Now you want to be careful. So we have, a bit of a channel. That kind of makes sense, right? So we're at a bit of a crossroads here on the 4 hour chart. So we are trading into this distribution level, say 4 hour, our midpoint, right into it, mid-level. No, that'll do, mid. You can see if we look back, it comes into play back here, okay, through here. Okay, we wick down into it here, retesting now, resistance, and we also have this diagonal. So this is a pretty important level. Do we hold here, break to the upside, or break to the downside? Keep an eye on the US 100. Stock markets are pretty bearish. My bias is going to be south, and we could go down to, say, an hourly chart and get a closer look at it. Looking for a trade opportunity, then I think let's just go down to 30-minute even. Let's be careful, but I'd be looking for, well, on the lower time frame. Now you got these support and resistance levels here. Okay, that comes into play back here as well. So if I'm looking for a short, let's just have a look at it on the, say, a 5-minute chart. I'd have to see, I'm even come down to the weekly here. I think this is my key level, to be honest, is around this weekly. That's it for me. I probably wouldn't get involved with this unless we see a break of this retest here of the weekly open, and then that would be what I'd be looking for a short opportunity. Long, we've traded into a very big resistance level here at the moment. You'd have to break this. You'd have to break this high here. Well, I would like to see a break of that if I'm going to get long. But yeah, I mean, my bias is definitely short. Can it trade either way? Of course it can. It's Bitcoin and it's completely manipulated. It's going to go. All it takes is one trader to decide to take this wherever they want to take it. And I can tell you now, all our technical analysis goes out the window when he or she decides to price it up or price it down. That's what it comes down to. Absolutely what it comes down to. And you'll find that market makers are going to let us get away with our head and shoulders and this and that and whatever else retail indicators and chart patterns we have, and then every now and again they're going to take it in the opposite direction and blow our technical analysis out the window. That's pretty much it. So you got to watch out for that. Okay, I mean, get involved with this, all right. Again, I need to see a break and retest of this weekly open, and I want to see it hold under here, and then, I mean, Monday's not the best day to be trading, to be honest. Tuesday, we might see something set up, and I think that's when I might get involved, if we see the setup. I think that's about it, guys. Make sure you smash those likes, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to YouTube. Join our Discord. It's free. There's a great community there. And with that, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next video.